What's up guys, it's Raccoon back with another video, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the cheapest microphone option you can physically get. It is practically free. If you have a set of earbuds that you don't need, then this is completely free. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this, which is a lavalier microphone, but actually what it is a earbud microphone from any earbuds. This is a really cheap earbud set that I've used right here, and I'm going to be showing you how to make it in a second. And just before I do make it, I'd like to say that this was from a very cheap set of ZTE earbuds, and the earbuds sound quality was horrible, the actual audio quality itself, but the microphone, as you can hear, is actually pretty good, and I'm surprised with the results I'm getting. So hopefully you guys are just as surprised as me, and hopefully you guys will follow through with this tutorial as well. Also, just before I do start showing you how to build it, I would like to say that this idea was completely from my fellow YouTuber Citizen Tech. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. He inspired me to make this. He made one himself, and then I thought it would be a great idea to make a video on it. And yeah, so drop a sub on his channel. He's just starting out, and he's got some really high quality videos already, especially for a starting out channel. So drop a sub on him, and let's get right into the build. So what you'll need for this simple microphone build is, for starters, you will need a pair of earbuds that have a microphone in them. The way you can tell is usually they will have a little hole in that volume adjustment box, and that's when you know you have a microphone. Also, you will need a little clip like this one I have here. Anything like that will work. And then you'll also need scissors and any form of glue, not wood glue, but super glue, and this stuff I have here, which is Gorilla Glue. This is overkill, but this is the only glue I have lying around. And then of course you will need a little pop filter, but this is not necessary, but it does make it look more professional, and it also removes the plosives. So you want to start off by taking the headphone wire with the microphone on it, and then you will just want to chop off the left or right earbud that has the microphone on it. Then you want to take the other side at the base, right where they split, and you want to cut that part off. It may be a bit tedious, and make sure not to cut the other wire, otherwise that'll ruin your whole project. So as you can see here, I've got both of the earbuds taken off, so you can throw those out as you like. So the next thing you want to do is take the microphone part and split it apart. Most earbuds will allow you to do this, but even if it doesn't, this isn't a big deal, but it's just something that I would recommend to do to get the optimum quality. So the next thing you want to do is take your little clip, and you want to put a little bit of glue on there so then you can stick your microphone on. And then you take your little microphone and put the back side of it where the microphone isn't, and stick that part onto the glue. So this here is the final result. As you can see, I have put a pop filter on there to cover it up, and I've glued the clip on, and it's completely dry now, and I have made a little hole in the pop filter so then you can easily clamp this onto your clothing, and so it does end up being quite nice. So as you can see, it was very easy to build that microphone, and hopefully you can hear that the sound quality is also just incredible for that really cheap price, pretty much under $10 or completely free. For most people it'll be completely free, and so yeah, that's incredible. And this works with any set of earbuds with a microphone. That's all you got to make sure, that it's got a microphone. Just cut it off there and you're good to go. And as you can see, even with the cheapest set of earbuds that you could find, these are extremely cheap. They were made of extremely flimsy plastic, and the sound quality is still really good. Even though I've got a Rode NTG2 and a Behringer XM8500, which are really good microphones, definitely sound better than this, I wanted a lavalier microphone because it's always good to have in your kit. Even if you have high expensive microphones, there's literally no point in not making one of these unless you already have a lavalier. If you don't have a lavalier microphone, there's literally no point in not making one of these, because you can use these as a second microphone, or if you don't want to set up or boom a mic, then yeah, just having a lavalier in your kit is always fantastic. So I definitely recommend making one of these for yourself. So hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, drop a like, and if you didn't, drop a dislike. Remember to subscribe if this video helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.